If you had to make $1 million in the next 12 months, or go broke, what would you do? Jake Wilson was 29 years old, living in Dallas, Texas. He made $55,000 a year working a 9-to-5 corporate job. On paper, he was doing fine. In reality, he hated it. Every morning at 6:30 a.m., his alarm went off. Every Sunday night, anxiety hit. Every Friday, he told himself, one more year. One night, sitting at a small diner, Jake stared at his bank app. $3,842 in savings. Across from him sat Marcus Hill, 41 years old, self-made entrepreneur, net worth somewhere in the 8 figures. Jake finally said it. "I don't want to live like this anymore." Marcus didn't nod, didn't comfort him. He just asked one question. "Are you willing to become a different person?" Jake frowned. "What does that even mean?" Marcus leaned back. "If you want to make $1 million in the next year, you can't think like a $55K employee." Silence. Then Marcus broke it down. "Millionaires get paid for rare skills," Marcus said. "Not effort, not loyalty, skill." He pulled out Jake's phone. "Search this occupations that make over $1 million a year. Entrepreneur, sales professional, real estate investor, tech founder, consultant." Marcus looked at Jake. "Pick one, just one, and master it." Jake realized something. He wasn't bad at talking. He wasn't bad at persuading. He was actually good at selling ideas. That night, he chose sales and online business. 2 weeks later, Jake stopped going to happy hour every Friday. His friends laughed when he said he was building something. "Bro, you're not an entrepreneur." That stung. Marcus warned him. Average environments create average results. Jake didn't cut everyone off, but he reduced exposure. Instead of bar conversations, he replaced them with business podcasts. Instead of Netflix, he watched interviews with founders. His identity started shifting. 3 months later, Jake saw a $5,000 online sales mentorship program. He panicked. That was more than his rent for 2 months. He called Marcus. "What if I lose the money?" Marcus replied calmly. "You're already losing time." That hit harder than the price tag. Jake invested. For the first time in his life, money felt like a tool, not something to protect. And because he invested, he took it seriously. He studied every night. He practiced scripts. He tested offers. Within 90 days, he closed his first $12,000 month. 6 months into his journey, Jake attended a business conference in Miami. Ticket, $2,500. Flight and hotel, another $1,200. His old self would have said no. The new Jake saw it as access. Before the event, he researched who would be there. Top agency owners, investors, founders. He prepared like he was studying for an exam. When he arrived, he wasn't awkward. He was prepared. He spoke confidently, not because he was special, but because he did the work. At that event, he met someone who later became his first major client. That single connection led to $180,000 in revenue over the next 8 months. Marcus had told him early on, if you can't sell, you can't scale. Jake learned to sell. Clients, partners, employees, even himself. But here's what changed everything. He stopped seeing sales as convincing. He saw it as solving problems. When confidence replaced desperation, his income exploded. One night, Marcus handed Jake a napkin. "What's your target?" $1 million, Jake said. Marcus wrote, $1 million divided by 365 equals $2,740 per day. That's it, Marcus said. It's math, not magic. Jake reverse engineered it. If he sold a $5,000 service, he only needed 200 sales in a year. That felt possible. When it became numbers instead of dreams, it became real. In month 11, Jake sat in his apartment again. Same couch, same city, different bank account. $1,042,318 in revenue. He wasn't the same person. He wasn't lucky. He wasn't smarter than everyone else. He just picked one skill, changed his environment, invested early, got into powerful rooms, learned how to sell focused on the math. Marcus sent him one final text. Now do it again, but faster. Jake smiled. Because the real secret wasn't the money. It was the identity. He didn't escape the 9-5. He outgrew it. If this story resonated with you, don't just watch and feel inspired. Decide. Pick one high-income skill. Commit for 12 focused months. Upgrade your environment. Track your numbers daily. And if you're serious about building leverage instead of just consuming motivation, subscribe to this channel, because here we don't chase hype. We build capability. And capability changes income.